Hey guys, here is a super simple way with no tools required to figure out if your thermostat is bad. First thing you want to do is turn the furnace to heat. If the heat comes on and it's running, then the thermostat is fine. There's no issues there. However, if you turn it to heat and the temperature is set above what it is in the house and nothing's happening at the furnace, you're down at the furnace and you don't hear any noises, then you're going to want to kick that breaker off to the furnace and then go to the thermostat, remove the cover, and you're going to want to remove the red and the white wire. Once you have those removed, you want to take a jumper wire or somehow connect those two wires together safely to where they're making contact with each other. Once you have that, go ahead and kick the furnace back on, and the furnace should immediately go into heat mode. You'll hear the inducer start to run and all the following steps after that. So another issue I see a lot is it'll reach the set temperature and then go do its own thing or not come back on with the heat. Typically, that's just a schedule it's trying to follow. If you set it to permanent hold, that should not happen again. If it does to where it's not kicking back on, then typically that's going to be a board issue. I'm going to make another video just on control boards. I try to keep this as short and sweet as possible, but if you found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thank you.